The two biggest places where I like to use water feature is near the master bedroom for in the winter when the windows are open so you can hear the sound of water at night. And secondly is in Key West when everything's really tight to create some white noise to just kind of even out the social spaces, because typically 5 feet on the other side of the fence is someone else's social space. There are water features that circulate that are really inexpensive that can be a pot or a bowl or a stone, and then there's just a basin underneath, and all you need is electricity and it just recirculates. But as you're walking down a garden path, if you have it off to the side, it becomes that little piece of something different to get you to stop and to just sort of create a mood.